Good morning to one and all. My name is Jay Arvind. I am studying in 7th class, Section A in Akash High School. Today I am talking about Bhagat Singh biography. I am explaining about the freedom fighter Bhagat Singh biography. He was born on 28th September 1907 at Banga village, Punjab. His parents were Kishan Singh and Vidyavati. He was the youngest freedom fighter who was executed, and when he was only 23 years, he was involved in the murder of John Sanders in December 1928. Danger of death. Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh was a youngest revolution and sacrificed his life a young age of fighting. Thank you.